what I'd like the kids to take away from this project is that it is all about coming together. It is all about singing together and creating together. That is really what this is all about. But most importantly, that singing is fun, yeah? And singing is for everybody. So I really want them to be inspired that actually if this is something that they want to do in their life, then they can do it. They need to work hard, but they absolutely can do it.
Amazing, actually. Like, none of the schools, we didn't know each other, and the fact that we could just all unify and create this amazing sound together, it's just incredible, and it just proves the power of song in just speaking to everyone.
So through the singing strategy offer for the county, there's various aspects that are available to schools. We've run it for about, I think this is the 4th year, where we've had different sort of singers come and work with the pupils. And it's to give them an opportunity they wouldn't normally get in school, an experience they can't get at school, which is why having someone like Mark come and work with them is just so special, because they're never going to sort of see that happen. They now know the stuff he does on television, but then they wouldn't actually get to work with somebody like him on a day-to-day basis. It's amazing. His passion for singing, the way he inspires the pupils, gets everybody joining in, working together, his humour, the way he interacts with the pupils and the staff as well. I just think he's really inspirational and sort of really gets everybody involved and joining in together.
Music is incredibly important for young people. It's about creativity, it's about working together, it's about decision making, it's about pushing past the boundaries that you might see in front of you. That is what music is all about. It is something that is within us, we were born with it, and I believe it is something that we should continue to do throughout the rest of our lives.